The candidates for U.S. Senate set themselves apart in their first debate tonight. From health care to gun control and family leave, they offered two different visions for how to serve the state. Political reporter Jessica Arp has some of the highlights of tonight's debate. Jess?
Well, yeah, given the debates that we're used to seeing, this one may have been tame, but it covered a number of issues that are important to voters in Wisconsin. The candidates meeting at WLUK Studios in Green Bay this evening, quickly discussing the issue that has become the elephant in the room for Republicans and Democrats alike, the reputations and scandals of their respective presidential nominees.
I've been supporting those areas of agreement, but I've not been shy about disagreeing with our candidate, with our nominee, and certainly I'm not going to defend the indefensible, which truthfully is kind of a marked difference between myself and Senator Feingold, who must be about the last American who thinks that Hillary Clinton is trustworthy. And he has completely supported her, even though she has decades worth of record of corruption, lying bold-faced the American public.
Now, Senator Johnson has a chance to follow the lead of the other senators, Republican senators, his colleagues, who are also in tough re-election fights, who have said, no, enough is enough. I'm not going to support Donald Trump. I challenge him to do the same, because it's just wrong. This is one of these times when you have to be an American first.
The candidates also had a striking difference in policy when they were asked about whether they would support government-mandated paid family leave. Feingold supporting 12 weeks of leave, Johnson saying he would support Donald Trump's proposal of tax credits for leave.
This is the view of the people of the state. Overwhelmingly support family and medical leave. It is a reasonable request. It is not some kind of extreme regulation.
Paid family leave mandated by the federal government would increase the cost to those employers, not allowing them to have money to increase wages and benefits.
The candidates also sharply differed on the effectiveness of Obamacare, and both offered things they would change. Johnson, the federal definition of health care, and Feingold says he'd repeal a tax on Cadillac plans. There were also some well-worn attacks that we've seen in political ads over the last number of months, including on the Toma VA, college affordability, and military spending. If you're wondering about some of these claims, check out our reality check archive on channel3000.com, where we clear up a lot of this. Now, these candidates will meet once more for a debate before Election Day on this coming Tuesday.
All right, political reporter Jessica Arp with her continuing coverage of that race. Jess, thank you.